Measuring tapes help us measure distances and the dimensions of different objects. But a measuring tape doesn't work in every situation. Why isn't there a single tool that lets us measure everything? Now, there is. Introducing Bagel, the smart tape measure. Bagel lets you measure just about anything, at home and at work. Bagel has 3 different modes: string mode, wheel mode, and remote mode. String mode is great for measuring straight lines, curves, and around corners. Wheel mode lets you measure irregular or odd-shaped objects. And it also makes taking measurements with one hand much easier. Remote mode lets you measure objects that are far away and out of your reach. After you're done measuring, you'll need a way to record your measurements. Using pen and paper can be a real hassle. With Bagel, you can quickly and easily save your measurements with voice descriptions. Just take your measurement, push the Save button, and then tag a voice memo to it.
Door of the future radar.
When you're done, Bagel will send your measurements to Bagel's mobile app via Bluetooth. This mobile application lets you review your saved measurements and share them with your friends. Bagel is precise. It uses our patented technology to make sure you always get an accurate measurement. Also, Bagel has an easy-to-read digital display that's viewable in most lighting conditions.
In the past few years, all sorts of measuring devices have become smarter and made our lives easier. Smart scales, smart thermometers, and even smart watches. But when it comes to measuring size, we still use a tape measure which is more than a century old. Why don't we innovate the way we measure size? So we created Bagel, a smart tape measure. We put a lot of effort into creating Bagel. Our team worked night and day to make the best quality product with this friendly design. We have our final prototype that is ready for mass production. Now we need your help to deliver this amazing product to everyone. Please help us bring this Bagel to life. Thank you.
Size matters. Bagel.
Is that a toolbox?
No, it's the Coolbox.
This can charge your phone?
Yeah, it's got a built-in rechargeable battery.
Nice.
Yeah, it has wireless Bluetooth speakers on the front.
Just like that. Pass-through power.
Cool.
Ready to get started?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
These wheels do make it easier to move around.
And done. What's next?
Step number 6 coming up. Gotta love this tablet stand.
You finished?
All done. Crack me a cold one. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's getting pretty dark out. Have you got an extra light?
Yeah, I got LED lights on this.
Now that's cool.
Want to put these on the magnetic lid for me?
No problem, Dad.
Sturdy lifting handles too. Okay, honey, I approve.
Yep. Pretty much does everything.
Introducing the Coolbox, the world's most advanced toolbox.
Hi, I'm Mike.
And I'm Chris.
The history of the modern toolbox is over 100 years old.
But to date, there have been very few truly remarkable enhancements or improvements made to this commonly used carrying case.
That's what motivated us to develop the Coolbox.
We've assembled a team of some of the best product designers, engineers, and business development people in the industry. The Coolbox product combines many commonly used tools and workshop items with some of the most recent and popular technological enhancements, all for the purpose of making projects easier and more enjoyable.
We've created our first 2 prototypes and are extremely satisfied with how they turned out.
Our warehouse, fulfillment center, and manufacturing facility are all set up. The Coolbox is ready to go. Now we need your help, Indiegogo.
With your support, we can revolutionize the way you work on any job.
Thank you.
Thank you.